Sri Lanka is a bit empty.
No one's climbed the hill.
Nobody can the hill, yeah. That's quite true. Ready? Let's walk. Let's see what happens. Yeah, Tamil is. Let's speak Tamil.
I'm Shani, Sri Lanka, and all your neighbors.
No. You want to stand up on your hand? Okay, go ahead, please.
Welcome to Embassy of Sri Lanka.
Hello, how are you?
You want one too? Yeah, there is. Okay. Welcome to Embassy of Sri Lanka.
Thank you.
Yeah, 140. 140. Okay, perfect. I lived in Candy, so I love Candy.
Are you from Sri Lanka or
No, India.
India.
You do Candy? Yeah.
There's 3 styles. Where are you?
I lived in Candy for 5 years.
I thought you were Sri Lanka.
Nice. So it's right back there.
Yeah.
Over there. There's gonna be like more performances.
Thank you.
Somebody lost it.
Oh, compared to that. Bro, what is up? What are you doing, bro?
Sri Lanka is good with musicians. Sri Lanka people are very music oriented. Sugar, sugar. That's sugar. You don't need sugar. That's sugar.
Ayubowan. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. On the behalf of His Excellency, the Ambassador, Mr. Mahinda Samarasinha, and the entire staff of the Sri Lankan Embassy, it is our greatest pleasure to warmly welcome you to Passport D.C. Celebrations 2025. Well, today we open our doors to share with you the beauty, the flavor, and the spirit of Sri Lanka, a small island with a rich heritage, golden beaches, ancient temples, vibrant festivals, well-renowned tea, and the warmth of truly hospitable people. Soon, you have a chance to witness a beautiful performance of Sri Lankan musical arts. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today, Sri Lanka is brought to you. Experience the energy of traditional cultural dancing, the heartbeat of the rhythmic drumming, and the soulful beauty of singing that all together bring the island's rich heritage to life. Captivating musical performances will showcase the spirit and the rhythm of Sri Lankan culture. Don't forget to make sure to tantalize your taste buds with authentic Sri Lankan cuisine, bursting with spices and tradition from our many vendors. Sip and savor the world-famous Ceylon tea, fresh, aromatic, and known as the finest tea in the world. Also, don't forget to witness the breathtaking beauty of Sri Lanka through our art, culture, and wildlife photography exhibition. Try on our elegant traditional Sri Lankan attire and imagine yourself exploring this paradise island. Discover exciting travel opportunities and hidden gems waiting just for you in Sri Lanka. As a special treat, each guest will receive a complimentary pack of Ceylon tea brought straight from this factory. Our gift to you from the heart of the island. Yes, get excited, it tastes delicious. Let us tell you a little bit about the beauty of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, is an island full of sunshine, stories, and soul. This unique island is one of the most biodiverse areas in the entire world. With its warm, tropical climate all year round, the island offers golden beaches, mist-covered highlands, and breathtaking views at every turn. Step into history at the ancient rock fortress of Sigiriya and wander the sacred cities of Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, and Kandy. Marvel at the vibrant murals inside cyclist paint. In the heart of the island, waterfalls, trails,
Oh, by the way, the strawberries.
along the coast, dive into the breathtaking coral reefs in Kunamatuma, surf the waves of Mirza, or else explore the colonial charm of Gold Coast. But above all, it's the warmth of the Sri Lankan people that makes this journey unforgettable. Their smiles, flavors, festivals, and deep-rooted traditions make Sri Lanka who we are. Now,
Embassy is like the furthest one away because then you go down the road.
Hi there.
You like one?
Hi, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Thank you for
Enjoy it.
coming.
Thank you for having me.
Hi,
Enjoy
Thank
it.
you.
Look at yourself.
I can't carry, like, I travel so much. My backpack is already,
Thank
like,
you. Thank you. You put your don't want.
yeah. You keep it.
Thank you.
Somebody's ready to take it, so.
Leaving it.
So see you. Yeah.